Good morning, everybody. My name is Antonia Noloha. I'm a DMP student from Brandman University. I'm here to present supporting health communication campaigns. My project is the use of telehealth education to improve medication adherence among African American adults with hypertension aged 18 to 80 years. I chose this topic, changes you can make to manage your high blood pressure, which includes medication adherence, increased physical activity, smoking cessation, weight and stress management, healthy diet, limit salt and alcohol intake. I focuses on medication adherence. What is high blood pressure medicine? High blood pressure medicine is the medication prescribed by the healthcare provider to lower high blood pressure. I chose American Heart Association educational brochure about high blood pressure medicine. This brochure focuses on what is high blood pressure medicine, what should one know about taking medicine, how can one remember to take his or her medicine, what type of medication may be prescribed, and side effects of the medication. And this is where they have the number and the email if one needs more information about high blood pressure medication. And this is the educational flyer that I developed for high blood pressure medication using American Heart Association brochure idea. The message supports the original communication piece because the flyer discusses the importance of medication adherence, the side effects of medication, the side effect of antihypertensive medication. And you can see here that my flyer discuss about what is high blood pressure medication, what should one know about taking medication, how can one remember to take his or her medicine, what type of medication may be prescribed, and what are the side effects of the antihypertensive medication. The goals here is to promote quality of life, healthy lifestyle behaviors, reduce healthcare costs, prevent disability and premature death. And what I'm hoping to accomplish is to help people understand that blood pressure medication work differently to lower blood pressure. And the medication only works when they take it regularly. And this is the end of my presentation. Thank you. And this is my references.